Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Today we have an unboxing as I've gone out and got myself a new watch. Well, I want to say new watch, actually this one is quite a few years old to be fair. It's a 2007 watch, but I seen it on one of the forums I'm on and I just couldn't help myself. So I thought, what the heck, I'm going to get it. So let's try and get into the box. Here we go. I think we're almost there. Let's get rid of that. Okay, let's just do this off camera a little bit here. Now, this one has seen quite a bit of wear, to be fair, and I think that's why no one, well, kind of not many people were interested in it, but I thought I can see a little bit of a project here. And here we go. Yes, I've got myself another Sinn. I know some might be saying this is going a bit far now because I do have quite a collection of Sinns. So let's just move some paperwork there from previous owner. Now, let's get this out. So that's good. We've got all the original CDs and documents in there. I'll have a look at them later on when we do the full review. And let's just open this. Which side are we? Here we go. Very nicely packed by the previous owner. I like that. Sometimes some guys can send you a watch and it's not very well packed. I do like the fact this one has been. Okay, let's open this and check this out. So look at this. I've got myself a 103, and not just any 103. This is a bit of a vintage model, reverse Panda. This is a 103. Let me get this right. I think it's the 103A SA, and just look at that. So this spans back to 2007. So this really is an old one. It's seen quite a lot of wear, to be fair. But this one houses the original 7750 movement, and to be fair, God, it has seen a lot of wear. There's quite a bit of play on that bracelet, to be fair, a lot. But it has been serviced back in, I think it was, the gentleman said it was 2018, and my God, that bracelet, that, yeah, there's plenty of wear, but to be fair, I don't mind because it adds to the character of this watch. So, as you can see, it is, let's zoom in on it a little bit. Now you can see it's all quite kind of beaten up there, but I honestly think I can get this back to looking great in no time at all. So let's give it a little bit of a wind. Seems to wind up all okay. Let's put it back in. Now I say I've never had a God, it's tight. There we go. Let's release that one a bit. They're done in quite tight. Let's see if the chrono all works nicely. Oh, not at the moment. Let's see what's gone on there. Maybe it needs a little bit more of a wind. Let's stop it. Give it a bit more wind. Because it's only just been posted, there's a chance it needs a bit more power in that mainspring to get the chrono module to start running. Or at least I hope so. Okay. Is it going to play ball with us now? There we go. That looks all right. No, that looks perfectly okay, really. Let's see if it resets nicely. You can see this is one of the old ones where it's got the automatic below it. So let's give it stop. Does it reset properly? Yeah, that seems good, I think. No problems there. So yeah, the 7750 movement is pretty bomb-proof. Now, we do have, there's quite a lot of marking round on the bezel there, but the gentleman said to me, let's have a look in here, see what we got. How do we open this? I think we just, he says, here we go. We should have here, my God, there's a few bezels. Wow. It's come with two different bezels. So that's looks like it was the original one, which has been absolutely beat up to hell. And here we have a brand new bezel with insert. So that's kind of cool. Yeah, we'll have to have a look at that, and we'll have a play there. This is all the parts from when it was serviced. So it looks like it, yeah, it's had new pushers, new crown. So yeah, it looks like it could be, yeah, it's just an honest old watch. Bezel lines up properly, rotates nicely. So yeah, this is going to be a good one to add to my collection of Sinns. So there you go. That is my my new Sinn, well, my new old 15-year-old Sinn 103. So what I'll do is I might even have a video showing how I kind of restore the case a little bit, or if I might not even bother, to be fair, because I think it looks really quite nice. So anyway, I'll let you know how it goes, and if I do a restro, like a full restoration thing, I'll do it. If not, then I'll give you a full review in a couple of weeks, in a couple of weeks time. But at some point I might do a video just on my collection of Sinns, so because it is getting quite vast now. I think I'm on about 9 or 8 or 9 Sinns. It's getting pretty mad. Anyway, before I go, quick wrist check. Yeah, funny enough, I'm wearing a Sinn, and Bob over there has got the Picatinny 300 diver, which I'm going to be doing a review of very soon. Okay, I'll leave you to it, and I'll see you at the next review, guys. All the best. Bye.